Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be learning how to make a means how to use Firebase and make a Google sign in, means sign in with Google. Okay. I have got this project from Mr. Aurapati, the Aurapati YouTube channel our Mr. Gopal. First of all, you have to set up the library of app compat design. You have to switch it on and you have to set up the Firebase. I am not showing you the Firebase settings much setup. Okay. Anyways, let's move back. After this, I have added an image here whose name is this one. Okay, I have added this image. You can delete this image. I have just kept it. Yes, leave it. So let's move back. Now here we have added a linear one whose width and height are match parent and have given its sorry its layout, sorry, gravity as center horizontal and center vertical. Here we have added an image. This image size we have given as scale type is given as fit center, width and height are match parent and height as given as 100 dp. After that we have added a progress bar. Okay, we have nothing, all are default setting here. The progress bar, nothing as such is changed here. See, nothing is done. Load gravity is also not changed. Anyways, so it's done. Now we have to add three components. One is file picker, FP. I have given. Another is authentication, the Firebase authentication. I have used sign in on create user and on complete sign up, and intent II I have used. You can use any other intent, no issue about it. With these are variables, and we have to also create a more block. Okay, on account picked. I have shown this more block in when we have created. I think we have created when we have shown you. I have shown you the account picker dialog box or account picker project. I have given you the there I have shown you this one. So here we have to create two string variables and one map variable. Okay, we have created a string variable as email address, another as password, another map variable as map. Okay, it's done. So we have set up like this. We have to set up, means I'm showing you the thing. Okay, an account picked, an account. Okay, here then we have to add a string name as email, done, another as password, done. So this will show up like this. Okay, then like this we have done. This one we have added, but not this one. You can do like that also that I have shown. Okay, we have added sets. We have set the email address string as email and password string as password. Then we have used Firebase sign in. This one, sign in with email address email. This added like this, email address email and password as password. Okay, there we have done the progress bar visible and given a toast message as please wait. Okay, now on component we have to use here on first let's go to file on files picked. We have to add this code. This code will be provided in the description below. I will be giving you this code. Okay, also I will try to give you the project itself, but it's not possible for me, and as you all know that blogspot domains are not working, so couldn't give you the my give upload these there in my project also, in the website also now. So I will have to upload this codes here in the description itself. So you have to just copy this video's URL and open it via Google Chrome and copy the description from there. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience caused. You have to use this code there. Then here in on sign in user, yeah, you can set up your block. Okay, there is not a big deal. You can set up your own block. It's up to you. I have used this block. I have made another activity also. I will show you that activity also. You can use your own block. That's not a big deal. Here also you can use your own block. It's not a big deal. Just I have given a toast account created. Progress bar gone. Intent by activity. Okay. Then now let's move to view. when this image view is clicked, on image view is clicked, intent on Google com.google.android CMS tools. This we have to add. This code is again in the description below. You'll find it. Done. Now let's go to on create activity. Progress bar is gone for the default on create, and on resume activity we have to use this. You have to use this one. This one you have to use. Okay? Done. Now let's move on to the next activity, that is BA activity. Here I have added a linear one vertical whose width and height are match parent and wrap content. Match parent. Gravity is central horizontal, central vertical. Here I have added a text view whose text is given as login successful and text size is 20. Here I have given just a linear whose width is wrap content and height as given as 200, just for the distance, maintain the distance. This one is just added to just text view, nothing else, default values and a button with default value. Okay. In these two buttons and the text views, we will be setting up. In on create section we have added this. First of all, I have added a Firebase auth component and intent I. Here in on create activity I have given text view 1 as set text to Firebase get email, and text 3 the second one is as Firebase get UID. Okay, no need of using this one. That's a waste of time. You can use this block, or you can, if it's up to you, you will be using this block or not, this if else block. Okay. Now in button I have given as Firebase sign out. Nothing else is there in this. Okay, so let's run this project and see it's really working or not. So let's run this project. When I install this app and opened it, it shows the layout like this. Whenever I click on this login with Google, it gives me all my email accounts. Let me log in with S Chakrabarti. Okay, it seems showing me please wait, and see login successful S Chakrabarti@gmail.com and my user ID. Log out. Let's click again and let's log in with our Sketchware help email ID. Login. See, it's showing a please wait again. Login successful. This, see, UID has changed. So I hope you all have learned how to use Google login with Google. So if you have liked this video, please do hit the like button. Also subscribe our channel for more such videos. Thank you.